Daily routine. Simple English questions and answers for beginners. What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Does Nancy work on weekends? No, Nancy doesn't work on weekends.
Does Sheldon drive to work? No, Sheldon takes the subway to work.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning? Yes, I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
What do you do after work? After work, I like to watch TV.
What do you do on Sunday afternoons? On Sunday afternoons, I relax and read.
When does Sheldon leave for work? Sheldon leaves for work at 9 a.m.
Where does Sheldon go for a walk? Sheldon goes for a walk in the park.
How long does it take you to get to work? It takes me about 30 minutes to get to work.
What does Nancy do in the afternoon? Nancy usually reads a book in the afternoon.
What time do you have dinner? I usually have dinner at 7 p.m.
What time does Nancy finish work? She finishes work at 5 p.m.
Where do you have lunch? I have lunch at a cafe near my office.
Does Nancy cook dinner at home? Yes, she cooks dinner at home most days.
Does Sheldon exercise in the evening? Yes, he exercises at the gym in the evening.
How often do you go to the supermarket? I go to the supermarket twice a week.
What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
What time does Nancy start work? Nancy starts work at 8:30 a.m.
How do you get to work? I take the bus to work.
Where do you buy your groceries? I buy my groceries from the local store. Talking about family, simple English conversation practice. Hi, John. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister. And you?
I have one brother. He's younger than me. What about your siblings?
My brother is older, and my sister is younger. We all live in different cities now.
Oh, really? Where do they live?
My brother lives in New York City, and my sister lives in Los Angeles. What about your brother?
He lives in London. He moved there last year for work.
That's nice. Do you visit him often?
Yes, I try to visit him twice a year. I love London. Have you ever been there?
Yes, I went there 2 years ago. I visited the British Museum and Buckingham Palace. It was amazing.
Yes, London has so many historic places. My brother and I always go to the Tower of London. It's fascinating.
I agree. My favorite place was the London Eye. The view from the top is incredible.
I've been on the London Eye too. It's beautiful, especially at sunset. What about your parents? Where do they live?
They live in Chicago. I visit them every Christmas. Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, they live near me in Boston. We see each other almost every weekend.
That's great. Family time is so important. Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, every summer, we have a big family barbecue at my grandparents' house. It's always a lot of fun. How about you?
We have a tradition of going on a family vacation every year. Last year, we went to the Grand Canyon. It was breathtaking.
The Grand Canyon is on my bucket list. I hope to visit it someday. Where are you planning to go this year?
We are thinking about visiting Yellowstone National Park. It's supposed to be beautiful.
That sounds exciting. I hope you have a great time. It was nice talking about our families.
Yes, it was. Family is so special. Have a great day, Emma.
You too, John. Bye.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi, George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.
Losing your keys and calling a locksmith, a simple conversation.
Hey, Barbara. I have a big problem.
Oh no, Oscar. What happened?
I lost my house keys.
Oh no, that's terrible. Did you check all your pockets?
Yes, I did. I also checked my bag, but they're not there.
Do you have a spare key?
No, I don't. I think I need to call a locksmith.
Yes, I think that's a good idea. A locksmith can help you open your door and make a new key for you.
How do I call a locksmith? What should I say?
It's easy. You can search for a locksmith on your phone. When you call, just say, "Hello, I lost my house key. Can you come to help me open the door?"
Okay, that sounds simple. How long does it take for a locksmith to come?
It depends. Some locksmiths can come in 30 minutes. Others might take longer. You should ask them how long it will take.
Good idea. What about the price? Is it expensive?
It can be. You should ask the locksmith for the price before they come. Say, "How much does it cost to unlock my door?"
I will ask that. And if they unlock the door, can they make me a new key too?
Yes, they can make a new key for you. Just ask, "Can you make a new key for me after you open the door?"
Great! I will ask all these questions. Do I need to show them anything, like my ID?
Yes, sometimes locksmiths will ask for your ID to make sure it's your house.
That makes sense. I don't want someone else to open my door.
Exactly. It's good for safety.
I hope the locksmith comes quickly. It's starting to rain.
Oh no. You should call them now before it gets worse.
Yes, I'll call them right away. Thanks for your help, Barbara.
You're welcome, Oscar. I hope you get into your house soon.
Me too. I'll let you know how it goes.